The anti-slop strategy standing out in a sea of AI content. Artificial intelligence has made creating content practically free, and for most businesses, this is a complete disaster. I'm 𝗨𝘂𝗲, the assassin, and today we need to talk about the internet's newest pollution problem, AI slop, and how you can use it to completely destroy your competition. If you've scrolled LinkedIn or read a company blog recently, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's that perfectly grammatical, completely soulless content that uses words like 𝗕𝗂, tapestry, and unlocking potential. The AI is slop. It's the flood of low-quality generic content that businesses are pumping out just because it's cheap and easy. But here is the problem. Your customers aren't stupid. Recent data shows that 73% of consumers can now instantly detect AI-generated marketing content. And when they do, they actively reject it. Over half of consumers say they distrust AI-powered search results entirely. When everyone sounds like a robot, nobody is listening. But this flood of garbage is actually the greatest marketing opportunity you've had in a decade. Because when the entire internet is drowning in generic AI slop, standing out has never been easier. You just have to be undeniably human. And here's the 3-part anti-slop strategy. Number 1, founder-led content, something I do a lot of. People trust people, not logos. In 2026, the businesses winning are the ones putting their founders on camera. AI cannot replicate your lived experience, your specific industry opinions, and your stories. If you want to build trust, you have to show your face. Number 2, use AI as an editor, not a ghostwriter. The biggest mistake you can make is asking ChatGPT to write the blog from scratch. Instead, brain dump your raw, messy thoughts into the AI. Give it your strong opinions, then ask it to structure and polish your words. Your voice goes in first, the AI just cleans it up. And number 3, build a brand voice document. Before you use any AI tool, you need a documented guide that tells the AI exactly how you speak. If you don't give AI the boundaries, it will default to the slop. And here's the kicker. This isn't just about human connection. AI search engines like ChatGPT are now trained to ignore generic content. If you want to rank in AI search, you have to be published as original, opinionated, human-sounding content.